Okay, so hi dear Capricorn. A very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a no contact reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 18th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me, or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love courses, too, links are given below. So let's start. Cappies, the person that you have no contact or no communication with their current feelings for you. We have the Six of Cups and the King of Wands and the Death card. This person is feeling like even though the connection is gone, even though it's done, they still miss you. Very severe nostalgia, especially the good memories, the good energies, the good times that you shared with each other. This person can't stop thinking about those beautiful memories, about those beautiful moments, and they still miss you like crazy. They still consider you as somebody that they had a very beautiful soul connection with. Even if the attraction is gone, maybe the love is gone, they can't deny the fact that they still miss you, and they miss you like crazy sometimes. They still see you as somebody with whom they had a very beautiful connection with. Okay, somebody they had a very loving and nurturing kind of relationship with. So nostalgia and missing you and a kind of energy, and from time to time they get this just kind of energy of what could have been. Okay, if you guys were still together or something like that. Let's see what are their intentions for the situation between you and them, what this person wants from you. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Four of Cups, and the Ace of Swords. This person wants to let go of this on and off, in and out kind of situation, and this being disturbed about this energy, being not disturbed actually. A little bit of a lot of confusion is there with a little bit of pinch of disappointment. So they definitely want to maybe somehow clear the air with you so that the disappointment is gone, the on and off is gone, the in and out is gone, and there's a lot of clarity on the table regarding the situation. There's nothing left unsaid, there is nothing secretive, there's nothing that's hidden. Everything is crystal clear between you guys. And then, like after this clarity, after this crystal clear energy of, you guys know what is this, what is going on, then they want to proceed further with or without you. But the intention here is to clear the air with you somehow and let go of the on and off, in and out, and confusion kind of energy. And this again, I keep on forgetting the word. Again, this confusion kind of energy, and this my god, I just said it few seconds ago. Anyways, clearing the air with you, letting go of the confusion and the disappointment. Oh my god. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any. Just give me a second, honey. Junteros. Okay, I'll do it afterwards. Yeah, let's see. We have the Fool card, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Queen of Cups. These are the fleeting feelings that they're getting regarding the situation because they miss you from time to time. I don't think they're going to do anything about the situation as of now, but they're planning to do something about the situation when they are going to think the divine timing is going to be right for them, when the universe is going to favor them in some way, when they will be able to express. It's like planning under process, where they're in this energy of, okay, I'm going to do something about the situation someday, but not right now. I'm going to hold on to this love, this feelings that I feel for Capricorn, but right now is not the right time to take any kind of action in this direction. Even if I feel I should do so, they're refraining from doing anything about it. Even though the Fool card is telling me that they might try to do something impulsive, but the moment they are going to about to do it, they're going to be like, nope, nope. For only 1 or 2% of you, they might you might get some kind of impulsive action from this person's side, but for most of you, they're planning to take the action in the future, because right now the timing is not right, the energies are not right, and it's not correct to reconnect from their side. This is the perspective. For you, the guidance is the Knight of Pentacles. No matter how stuck you are feeling in the situation, keep moving ahead. Even if it is a very, very slow process, even if you are feeling like you are like a dead horse, you know, you are not able to move on, you are not able to do anything, even if you feel like nothing is happening, a lot is happening behind the scenes that you might not be able to understand right now energetically. It's a game of energy all the time in everything. Just keep moving ahead, keep moving ahead, but do not ignore the feelings, do not ignore the fact that there is still a lot of things to heal. So heal and heal yourself and keep moving ahead. Even if it seems like you will never be able to do that, you will someday. So keep moving ahead. Okay, cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.